Hello, welcome back to IT Performance. Well, it's happened. I never thought I would actually ever get to this stage, and if I did, I thought it would probably be the next card down, but with a bit of fortune, I have managed to be able to get hold of a GeForce RTX 2080 card. I couldn't justify the TI card, but the 2080 card is, I'm very happy with that. Okay, so today is an unboxing, and then I will put up some performance comparisons to show what the upgrade to the 2080 from my existing 970 is. So I will be looking forward to that. Okay, so what have we got? I haven't opened this up yet. Gigabyte. So it's an RGB fusion card, so it'll work with the same software as what the motherboard uses, given it's a Gigabyte motherboard. Okay, so we have one box here. Which doesn't want to come apart very easily without ripping it. It's unfortunate. So a care card and drivers. Not that I'll probably really use those. And of course the card itself. Nothing else in the box. Register online to extend the warranty to 4 years. Okay, so let's have a look at the card. It's a big bugger. Look at that. Not sure what Gigabyte qualified means. Look at the size of that. So it has the 3 fans on it from Gigabyte. GeForce RTX. There's the RGB LED. Nice backplane. On the back here we've got 3 DP ports, 3 display ports, an HDMI, and a USB-C. Minimum system requirements: 650 watt or greater system power supply. Check. PCI Express. Check. Gigabyte 8 gig of system memory. 16 gig recommended. Crikey. Windows 10 64-bit. Yep. 1 6-pin and 1 8-pin supplementary power connectors. Well, that's exactly what I've got on my current 970 card, so should be just a straight plug in. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is turn off the computer. While that's happening, I can take off the side. Power out, we'll leave that there for later. Now, the new card is quite a long one, but the old card is also quite a long card. Okay, so the new card is actually the same length as the last card, with a similar setup of the fans. Not much seems to have changed, although, have a look at that, a little bit thicker, a little bit bigger. And it helps if you take off the PCI slot cover. Oh, that does help, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Clip that in there. Grab the screws to secure it in place. Now, due to the weight and the size of the card, there will be a bit of sag at the back end, unfortunately, because it's in an upright case. Let's get all enthusiastic and put the cover back on, because we know it's going to work first time. And power it up. Well, it has power. That's always a good thing. We have post. We have picture. We have Windows doing updates.
Oh, that's different.
Oh, Windows is... Oh, okay. So Windows is detecting what it should be detecting.
Okay, things are starting up.
And I have already updated to the latest drivers. RTX2080 driver version, CPU, RAM, and then speed. So at the moment, the monitor on the left is connected to the Gigabyte card. The monitor on the right is connected to the onboard video. Ready, 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 virtuality ready. Excellent. Well, that's all up and going. Now I just need to run some tests to see how well it goes. Okay. I'll be back. Hi, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. I will be doing a second video doing the performance increases between the two cards, the old 970 and the new 2080 card. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.